Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use bookings for Microsoft Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 11, add a new staff member. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for work, school or business. We can start this tutorial. Let's now go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Go to the left hand side navigation menu, click on all applications, go to bookings. Let's just wait for that to load. Now click on the calendar. Let's go to the left hand side navigation menu. Now click on staff. And now we can add a new staff member. Let's now create an example. A new person, AP. Let's just create a brand new email. Notify the staff member by email when a booking assigned to them is created or changed. Here are the business operating hours. Click on Save the Changes. After we click Save Changes, this is what we see on screen. A new staff member called a new person has now been added to your calendar in the staff section. So we have an overview, contact, calendar, availability, services. We can book an appointment. We can edit the staff member, showing calendar, the information, the services. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.